Hi, welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm going to show you how I make a chocolate pudding using only 4 ingredients. The ingredients we have is a 300 gram tub of organic silken tofu, a 100 gram bar of vegan milk chocolate, 3 tablespoons of agarve syrup and 20 grams of walnuts. So the first thing we need to do is start a bain-marie because we need to melt the chocolate. You can melt the chocolate in a microwave in small batches, microwaving for roughly 30 seconds if you'd rather do that than a bain-marie. So you want just enough water in the pan so it's not actually touching the bowl, and we'll bring it to a boil. While the water is heating up, we're going to add the tofu into the blender along with the syrup. The walnuts are added later. While your water is simmering, you want to break up the chocolate into small pieces to make it melt easier and add it into the bowl. Then we just need to stir the chocolate around, get some movement in it so it melts a lot quicker. Please remember that the bowl is going to be hot. Every few seconds, just keep the chocolate moving around the bowl. It'll melt much quicker. So now the chocolate is pretty much melted, I turn the heat off and just leave the bowl on top of the pan to keep the chocolate melted. And now we will blend the tofu and the syrup together. You want to keep going until you've got a smooth mixture. And now we just need to add the melted chocolate into the tofu and syrup mixture. Sure you get as much chocolate out of the bowl as you can using a spatula or spoon. So now the chocolate is in, we put the blender on to make sure everything is a nice consistency and well blended. At the end of this, I've also added the walnuts. So after mixing for a short while, you can see it's all the same colour, the consistency is nice and silky and smooth, and it's ready to go into the bowl. Now we just need to pour the chocolate into some ramekins. The recipe makes 3 servings, but it also depends how big your ramekins are. Once the ramekins are full, I'm going to pop them into the fridge for approximately 1 hour to set. Once the chocolate puddings are set, they are ready to serve. I've had mine with walnuts and some frozen blueberries. Ingredients for this recipe are in the description below. I hope you make it, I hope you enjoy it, and thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe or leave comments. Much love, The Vegan Method.